Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not login in iPhone. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see that you cannot log in on your iPhone or it's using TikTok. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back. You have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here and open your App Store. You have to go for search and search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find any pending update like that, you have to try to update your app. And after updating, you have to go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find an connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And after disconnecting, you have to go back and you have to retry it to log in with your account. If you are still facing the same issue, try to make a force restart the iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes very black. So once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app. Go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings on the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If you're still facing the same issues, so go back from here and keep a long press on your TikTok app, and you have to try to delete or uninstall your app. Simply tap on this remove app option, then tap on delete app, then tap on delete, and it will completely uninstall your TikTok app. And after uninstalling, you have to reinstall it and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this tab. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be a network, it might be a server error, you must have to wait for almost 1 or 2 hours, and after that, you have to retry and your issue will be fixed. Or if you want to get more help, so you have to open your browser. You have to search for TikTok support, and here open the first website, and you have to contact with TikTok support team to get official help from there. So after that, your issue must be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.